Quick Snack Show with Mr. Bean Buds.
Hey, Mr. Bean Buddies!
Today we're gonna do
Nice
snacks.
Tag along.
Sometimes, when you're hungry in the middle of the night, you feel like you want to snack. Then I got this little tip for you.
Yes, for the first part you will need some ice cream. And today we will choose between either a white ice cream or a brown ice cream. And we'll go with the white ice cream.
For the second part of the snack, you're gonna need some soda. Today we're gonna use Schweppes Lemonades. See you later.
Yes, this ice cream is coated with delicious white chocolate and has a strawberry jam inside. Please like, comment or subscribe.
Delicious lemonades. I love it.
Bon appetit! Yummy!
Ooh, yummy!
Yummy!
Ooh,
Yummylicious! It's so nice.
I love it. It's really good. Refreshing.
Very refreshing.
So refreshing.
That's a good night snack.